Hello and welcome. This is Partridge BMW, and today we are talking about our new paint protection film in partnership with Konings. We have various packages available, ranging from all sizes of vehicles, from small to large.
So the paint protective film has self-healing properties, so when exposed to heat or direct sunlight, the scratches will simply disappear. The protective film can be installed in purely just your wear and tear areas, so that can be the door cups, the door seals, the door edges, the B-pillars and the top part of the rear bumper.
In addition to protecting your general wear and tear items, you are able to protect the high impact areas of the cars too, such as the bonnet, the headlights, the front bumper, down the wings, the wing mirror caps and the A-pillars. Or indeed, if you want full protection, you can cover the whole vehicle.
The paint protective film is exactly what your new BMW needs. It protects you from everyday harmful elements from the environment, stone chips, scratches and general wear and tear on your car.
The paint protective film comes with a 10-year warranty, ensuring you're protecting the car's value for years to come.
If you'd like to find out more information about the products we have available,
Please pop down to Partridge BMW and speak to a member of our sales team.